I really like it when I get something in the mail unexpectedly. Yes. What's going on, guys, and welcome again to another video. I opened my mailbox and I found this unexpectedly. Navitus Parfums Discovery Set. Their newest 3 fragrances. I haven't smelled them. This is still sealed. I just wanted to open that in front of you guys and see whether I like it or not. So let's just unbox it and unwrap this cellophane paper first of all. Okay. Why is it stronger than usual? Oh, I found it. I got it, guys. I got it. And you got away, alright? So here's the box. It's a sturdy box. There's a sleeve too, right? The sleeve is right here. Okay. And here's that sturdy box. How to open it? Oh, it's a magnetic. So that's how you open it. There's a card here with the fragrances: Lautus, Arcanum, and Opulentas. Yes, it's like Greek names because of Red Lessons. Steven, he's Greek, so it's always Greek names for his brand. So there's 3 discovery set fragrances here. I believe they're 15 ml each. So let's go with the first one. So Lotus, the first one, it says distinguished, elegant, modern. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. Top notes: neroli oil, verbena, lavender, and yuzu. Okay. Heart notes are juniper berry, cascarilla, I don't know what cascarilla is, freesia, and orris. Okay. Base notes: ambergris, palisander, I don't know what palisander is, rosewood, patchouli, sandalwood, musk, and vanilla absolute. Perfumer: Bertrand Duchaufour. Wow, okay, that's unexpected. Bertrand Duchaufour is one of my favorite perfumers, so I'm really excited to smell that one. I have this area empty. Wow, sprayer is very nice. Okay, this is fresh. This is more like a very gentleman type of a scent. This is definitely fougere. I pick up a lot of lavender here. It's very fresh lavendery, but it's smooth at the same time. I'm not a big fan of fougeres, but honestly, I can't tolerate this one. This one is not bad. It smells very elegant too. I believe if you really like fougere, you would love that one. I do like it. It's elegant. It's nice. I like it. It's got like a woody undertone with the freshness and the lavender as well. It smells very elegant. The way they said it, elegant, what? Distinguished. It's very, very distinguished. Elegant, modern. I totally agree on that one. This is beautiful. I really like it. The next one up, it calls Arcanum. Arcanum. Okay, so this is clean. I like the sprayers. Sprayers are nice. Okay. This is nice. This one got cinnamon. Let me read the notes because I pick up a lot of cinnamon. A lot. Okay, cinnamon. Yeah, cinnamon, coconut. Okay, coconut. Oh yeah, I pick up the coconut too. Cinnamon, coconut, and frankincense. Tears. Okay. When I first sprayed it on, it was a big blast of cinnamon. I picked it up right away. But then the coconut now is like really happening. And the cinnamon is in the background, but I definitely pick up coconut and cinnamon. This one is nice, it's sweet as well. Let me just read the rest of the notes. The heart notes are labdanum, okay, osmanthus, and Laotian oud. Okay, I don't pick up any oud so far. The base notes are dark amberwoods, vanilla, and tonka beans. There's definitely vanilla and tonka beans. I picked that up easily too. The perfumer is Jorge Lee. Okay, I really pick up the frankincense now because it turns into somewhat Middle Easterny in a way, but like a kind of like a gourmandy, sweet Middle Easterny. Frankincense to me, it's automatically a Middle Eastern scent. It's very, very cinnamony. If you like cinnamon and frankincense, you'd love that one. Yeah, I like it. I dig it. The last one is called Opulentas. Opulentas. Probably opulent. Where's the card? Let's just read what it says on the card. Luxurious. I like that word, luxurious. I like luxurious. Complex and refined. So okay. Top notes: apple, pink pepper, and lemon. So it's kind of like on the fruity, fresh side. Heart notes: rose. Okay. Cypriol, natural oud. Oh, it's got oud. Okay, and patchouli. Base notes: amber woods and oak moss. So probably this one is gonna be. They said complex, luxurious and complex, and it's got oud. So probably it's gonna be a little bit on the daring side in a way. Let's hope not. Okay, I picked up the apple. Oh, and the oud is there. Definitely like apple and oud. What else? And the fresh apple, freshness and oud. What else does it have? Definitely the apple and the pink pepper and lemon is there, but there's always that medicinally oud in the background. But it's, you know what? Even though there's a big dose of oud here, it's not like really like a bad smelling oud. It's very medicinal. So if you are okay with the medicinal oud, you'll be okay with that one. But honestly, it smells really high quality. It's turning into very medicinal oudy type of oud with the freshness and the fruitiness from the apple around it, just to not make it rough around the edges. I really like the take on that one as well. They all smell high quality. If I have to pick a favorite of mine so far out of the first impressions, I mean, to be honest here, Arcanum is nice and everything. It reminds me a lot of Ouverture by Suspiro, and I own that one and I love it. It's one of my go-to fragrances I wear, especially in the holidays. It's very Christmassy in a way. And this one is just, it's not identical to Ouverture, but the big cinnamon, vanilla, those here just kind of like gives hints of Ouverture to me. So I'm just gonna put this one on the side just because I own Ouverture already. So, but it's between Lautus and Opulentas. For some reason, I'm kind of digging Lautus. I'm not a big fan of Fougere, but I don't know, I kind of like this one. It smells very nice. I would wear this one, especially when we're out of the lockdown and just can get back to work. This is definitely one of my go-to, will be one of my go-to fragrances just to go to work. This is great for work actually. So overall, without rumbling, Lautus is my number one. Arcanum is definitely number two, and Opulentas is my number three. If you want to try this discovery set, I believe they're like $101, which is a great deal by itself. It's like 15 ml of each fragrance with great bottles and a great box as well. I believe they're all great, but you have to try it out yourself to see which one suits you. They are coming, all of them with great perfumers. So Bertrand Duchaufour, for God's sake, come on guys. I'm just gonna try to put links just to make it easier for you guys in case if you just want to try him out. And yeah, this is pretty much it guys. Congrats again Steven for this another 3 great fragrances. I really dig him. Lautus is great. Arcanum is it's like a spicy frankincense cinnamon bomb. A lot of you guys love cinnamon, so you definitely would like that one. Now that it clicked, this fragrance also remind me of that fragrance called, I believe, number 1 or 001 or something. I'm just gonna put links from that house that looks like a lighter. It's a red bottle, looks like exactly like this. So It kind of reminds me of that as well. Of course, they're not identical, but the cinnamon note here is big, and everything with cinnamon pretty much would remind you of that one. So this is pretty much it, guys. Please let me know in the comment section down below. Have you tried Steven's newest 3 fragrances yet? They're all great, and I'm just curious, what do you think of them? Make this video 300 likes, and I would pick somebody randomly to share with them 5 mLs of each fragrance of these 3 right here, just to try them out. Make this fragrance 300 likes. Subscribe and comment and let me know in the description down below. Yeah, and this is another week with no sponge, and I know sponge making smell good always easy. Peace.